Hello, my name is Austin, and today the idea that I would like to be talking about is the idea behind social constructivists. So basically, the theory suggests that truths are socially constructed based on interactions, and there is no real set truth on a shared experience. So this suggests that while people may have a shared experience together, they still have their own truths on how that experience played out. So when we counting that experience to someone else, they are explaining their own truths, but not necessarily how, or not necessarily the truth on what actually played out. So it makes me think about how experiences I share with other people are viewed differently by them. So for example, let's say a friend made a playful joke about me and towards me, and to me, my truth is that they insulted me, while their truth is that they just created a harmless joke and it was just meant to be taken as such. So while we have a shared experience together that between the joke, um, we have our own separate truths on how that interaction played out. So one critique I have with this idea is that I don't really necessarily think that means truths are socially constructed. This is because something still truly occurred, but we have our own biased views. So we somewhat create our own truths from that experience. So this means that the truth may be constructed, but there is still a real interaction that played out. So going back to my previous example on a friend making a joke, there is an actual truth, which is my friend or the friend made a statement about me towards me, and the constructed truth would be that this statement was an insult or a playful joke, and it just depends on the perspective of the person. So I can use this theory to remember that people may not necessarily be lying about an experience they have, but instead explaining it from their own eyes, so from their own truths. This means I could be more understanding if someone takes something the wrong way, and because they didn't mean to take it the wrong way, they just constructed their own truths based on their experience, just as I have constructed mine.